Today I am going to take the review of student of Ekman Group of Institution. मैं उनसे पूछूंगा कि उन्होंने Ekman क्यों ज्वाइन की, Ekman में PGDM लिया या MBA लिया। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की अपनी वीडियो।
Proceed with their introductions first.
I'm Rashika Jain from Sikar, Rajasthan, and currently I'm pursuing PGDM Ex in Finance and Valuation from Ekman Institute of Management.
Hello, my name is Sudeep Chaudhary and I'm from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Currently I'm pursuing PGDM Ex in Finance and Valuation from Ekman Institute of Management.
So Sudeep, what inspired you to take admission in Ekman?
Ma'am, Ekman is giving specialization in finance with valuation, which is very uncommon these days, as valuation profession as a profession is rising and there are very less number of registered valuers. So this was one of the reasons why I chose Ekman Institute of Management to pursue my PGDM.
What about you?
The industry-oriented faculty here and the global exposure we are getting here, and we are getting practical exposure through live projects and different guest lectures from the industries.
Okay, so if I talk about the ROI part, so what do you think? Is that worth?
Yes ma'am, definitely. It's an excellent ROI which we are getting here. By investing 7.5 lakh, we are getting industry industry connections and the kind of exposure we are getting from the renowned faculties, especially in the field of valuation, that is currently increasing the ROI. And the kind of exposure we are getting and the kind of internships which we are procuring from here, that's also excellent. So I think it's an excellent answer.
Okay, and if I talk about the classes, so like they are more theoretical or practical?
I would say that these are more practicals because I have told you before as well that we got an opportunity to work on live projects and the industry-oriented guests come and teach us. So that is why I would say that it would be more practical basis as we study with the case studies more.
Okay, so are there any live projects in the Ekman?
Yes ma'am, currently I am involved in one of the live project with IFCO Gurgaon in sector 29 and 32. One is which is a commercial property and one is an institutional property. So I am directly involved in the valuation of those properties.
So moving ahead, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं जो सारे बच्चों से क्वेरी होती है। आप सबकी फीस कितनी थी यहाँ पे PGDM की?
हमारी फीस यहाँ पे 8.5 LPA थी।
But I think इस साल 10 लाख हो गई।
अच्छा, और क्या कहना चाहते हैं लाइक फीस के हिसाब से ROI कैसी कॉलेज की?
ROI तो बहुत ही एक्सीलेंट है, मतलब जितना हम लोग दे रहे हैं उस हिसाब से हमें जो क्वालिटी यहाँ पे डिलीवर हो रही है एंड द काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट टीचर इंटरेक्शन, सिंस हम बच्चे बहुत कम हैं, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें जो यहाँ पे एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है ना, 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन जो हो रहा है, दैट्स एक्सीलेंट एंड आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी कॉलेज ग्रेटर नोएडा एरिया में इतना अच्छा ROI दे पाए।
और इज देयर एनी स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम आल्सो अवेलेबल इन योर कॉलेज?
हाँ, स्कॉलरशिप भी अवेलेबल है, वो डिपेंड करता है आपका मैट का स्कोर या कैट का स्कोर कितना है।
Yeah, I myself secured a scholarship of 1.25 lakhs.
So now I am going to talk about seat intake. What was the seat intake of PGDM?
In this year, it is 120 seat intake.
And for MBA it's 60.
It's 60. So क्या बता सकते हैं इतनी कम स्टूडेंट पे क्यों कॉलेज काम कर रहा है लाइक?
बिकॉज एकमन का ये मानना है कि कम स्टूडेंट्स को अगर हम लोग वो क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड करा पाए जो कि 1000 बच्चों को नहीं करा पाएंगे, दैट वुड बी बेटर। सो इसलिए वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद अ वेरी लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, बट द काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी एजुकेशन विच इज प्रोवाइडेड दैट्स पार द 1000 स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी ऑल गेट प्लेस्ड।
So what do you think? Like Ekman and PGDM has changed you how much as a person, as an individual?
As an individual, if I talk about, it has transformed me from a working professional to a professional who is ready to cater to any sort of challenges in the world.
Okay, so what about you?
I have also gained good communication skills, interpersonal skills, and leadership roles, and how to work in a team in a better way.
Okay, so lastly we'll have a quick rapid fire round. For that I would like to invite Shashank to the frame. So now let's begin. So guest lecture or industrial visits?
Guest lectures.
Marketing or finance?
Finance.
Internship or life projects?
Life projects.
Presentation or exam?
Exam.
Startup or a corporate journey?
Corporate journey.
9 AM class or 2 PM class?
2 p.m.
Okay, so 100% attendance or a smart bunk?
Smart one.
Strict teacher or friendly teacher?
Friendly teacher.
So Sudhir, would you like to give any message to the upcoming batch?
Sure. To whoever is watching this video, valuation is an upcoming course and it is of high importance. So I would definitely recommend anyone who is planning to join Ekman Institute of Management, go forward and build your career in the field of finance and valuation. Thank you.
Thank you Sudhir for joining us.
Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you.
सो गाइस आपने देखा कि एक्मेन के स्टूडेंट ने एक्मेन क्यों चूज किया। तो आपको कोई भी क्वेरी हो रिगार्डिंग एमबीए प्रोग्राम, पीजीडीएम प्रोग्राम और बीबीए प्रोग्राम, आई एम हियर टू असिस्ट यू इन योर कॉलेज जर्नी। अगर आपको लोन के बारे में कोई जानकारी चाहिए, एडमिशन के बारे में कोई जानकारी चाहिए या स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में कोई जानकारी चाहिए, तो आप नीचे कमेंट करें या नीचे दिए हुए नंबर पे मैसेज करें, कॉल करें, कभी भी। आई एम हियर टू गाइड यू।